My name's Sky.
And my name's Space. Is that a park, Sky?
Whatever. It's not that fun.
Sky, parks are for babies and we're not babies.
Yeah, but I know we're not babies, but that kind of looks fun.
No, Sky. We're not babies.
But, hey, do you have my seed, Space? Whatever. Well, some pencil crayons, those will be fun to play with. Space, I'm actually kind of bored now, like, we should go in the park.
No, Sky, we're not going on that park.
But, like, there's nothing to do.
Well, we don't go on it. We're not babies.
Well, I'm going there, Space. You can join me if you like, but I think I should go and play there because I'm bored.
Yawn, whatever.
Whoa, nice swing. This is so much fun. Woo! Oh, and a sequence wall? Wow, I think I can kind of see myself in it. So nice. I'm not gonna regret this, it's so fun. And on the top of here, I'm going on the camera.
Sky looks like she's having fun. Maybe I should go. Like, look at her. It's actually kind of fun. I'm in a secret room, but how do I get out? Yeah. Ooh, a nice circle. It looks so pretty. Maybe I'm gonna stay here for a little while. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Itchy, I'm so itchy.